Do you find yourself scrolling through hundreds of table rows just to find one piece of data? The Advanced Table Viewer Column Filters feature lets you filter that data right on the page. This is the Employee Directory Confluence page. Edit the Advanced Table Viewer macro to open macro setup mode. The right panel toolbar displays the available feature configuration at the table level. Let's enable column filtering. The Column Filters panel appears on the right side of the configuration screen. Turn on the Column Filters toggle. You will see a list of the table columns, each with filter options to choose from. 4 filter types are available based on the column's data type. The drop-down filter shows unique values to choose from. It works for any data type. For the job title column, let's use the drop-down filters. Once applied, each filter appears just above the table. The free text filter gives an input box for text or numbers. For last name, let's use the free text filter. The number filter accepts numeric values only. For rating, let's use the number filter. The date range filter lets you filter between 2 dates. For date of joining, let's use the date range filter. Once you choose the date range filter, the date format dropdown displays the list of supported format types. Select the required date format. You can see each filter appears just above the table. You can use these filters in macro edit and view mode. Let's save the macro and publish the page. Now you can quickly apply filters to dig deeper, filter by job title, and then narrow the data further by rating 3. The table updates instantly with every selection. To illustrate another scenario, I will clear all the filters. Now, here's where it gets useful for HR and the people operations team. Select the date range filter on date of joining and enter a from and to date. The table instantly narrows to just the new joiners. To get a list of employees for bi-weekly onboarding cohorts. No more scrolling through rows of data. That's Column Filters in Advanced Table Viewer, helping you find the right data. Thanks for watching.